So there are many reasons why the class of 2022 is special, but I'd like to mention just a couple of them. First of all, just as you are incoming freshmen at OCU, in some respects, so am I. Yes, I'm an alumna who got a master's degree many, many moons ago. And yes, I've been a trustee for a number of years, but this is my first year as OCU's president. So while you will be figuring out how you're going to get your meal plan loaded onto your ID card and where your classrooms are, I too will be struggling to find out where my next meeting is or which door is the best one to use to enter Freedy. We are truly in this together. Please remember to be good neighbors, whether it's classmates, roommates, or the citizens that live in the neighborhood around us. We need to be mindful that it's not always about us and that our city is a strong supporter and partner to OCU. People keep telling me that we can't be all things to all people, and that is true. But we can be and we will be many things to some people. And the some people that we will be these many special things to is you, a very unique and talented group of freshmen that are about to embark on the journey of a lifetime. Today you begin a new chapter of your life, and I am so privileged to be a part of it. Thank you, and go Stars.